Okay, Alessandro, so what are the main differences between your automated casting process and the more conventional mold production workflows that marine manufacturers are using today?
So traditional tool making is quite slow, it's very expensive and also very wasteful and requires a lot of skilled labor. While with our digitalized casting motion technology, you can simplify the process, reduce time and reduce cost, having a 3D printed isotropic tool.
So how does this cast in motion technology apply to the marine industry?
You can apply it to everything on a boat. It could be a bathroom, it could be a hatch, or it could be even a dashboard.
And I assume that this technology is designed for short-run custom mold production. How many parts can be manufactured from just one mold?
Well, yes, you assume correctly. So for small runs, that is absolutely perfect because we guarantee around 500 cycles. That is quite a lot if you have to make bespoke parts especially.
All right, fantastic. Thank you very much, Alessandro.
Well, thank you.